Friendly reminder before the video starts that I do not tolerate duplicating my videos unedited. If you'd like, you can give me credit or edit the video.
Station GTT 78.
Oh look, the call!
Thunderstorm watch number 117, effective until 1 a.m. Wednesday. This watch includes the following counties in Minnesota: Dodge, Fillmore, Houston, Malheur, Olmsted, and Winona. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is NOAA weather radio WXK41 in Rochester, broadcasting.
Okay, so SVA, SVA, SVA. And this got cleared. I hate you, 120.